What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, the 23rd of April. We're going to take a look this morning, or this afternoon, I should say. It's 12:30 at Casper Cryptocurrency. Ticker symbol CSPR USDT. This will be a daily chart. We'll take a brief look at Bitcoin and share some of my thoughts here on what's happening with Casper, Bitcoin, and the rest of the market as we head into another week here. So far, Casper, off of a double bottom, has made, so we double bottomed here on the pullback, found support at our 334 potential support area, which it did find support there. And the price proceeded to rally, 80 or so percent, finding a little bit of resistance in between our upper targets. So we had one here at 415. We spent a couple days there ping-ponging back and forth. Same with 435. Only one day, it looks like, at 466. And then we spent, we actually went right through 509, 522, and 524. That's these three levels. Made it all the way up to 571. Big reversal, big candle wick above that market. Gave it another shot 2 days later, and then the market has rolled over. So the price has so far found support at the 466 level. That's right here, guys. So that's also, spoke about this before, that previous resistance can flip into support. And that's what we see so far right here, that the price has found support at an old area of resistance, which is that roughly the 466 price level represents the high of this range. Broke out, pullback, testing right there. So the question you may have, one of many questions you may have, is what is up next? Well, it depends. Bitcoin is looking weak right now, so that's going to have a lot of weight on these other cryptos, including Casper. If Bitcoin can bounce and move higher, well, then it's going to make it easier for the crypto market in general to move higher. So we have, we have, let me zoom into the chart here. By the way, this is tradingview.com. They have a great free charting service. Lots of tools. So we have support at roughly the 466. We didn't quite make it. We hit a low of 468, so very close. And then we proceeded to rally and found resistance at our 524, 522. So we have a candle wick lower to support. We have a candle wick upper into resistance. So guys, it could be nothing more than a slight pullback, and then the rally continues. Judging by these candle wicks and how strong and how big they are, I don't think the market will the Casper market, I should say, is just going to rebound and break out like that. Doesn't mean it won't, but I don't think, judging by how much of a, I'm going to call it a blow off top. Doesn't mean it is the top, but for now, it looks like that is going to be the top for a while. Hopefully I'm wrong, and the market does blast off higher, and all of the Casper holders do very well, the long holders. But I think we're going to find some resistance once we get back up to that 524, 522 area, and then maybe even kind of hang out around the 509 where we're at. And we'll see, what takes place here. There's a chance that we could, there's already a chance there's a lower high in. There's a chance that this is the lower high, and then, we roll over. Maybe it creates a lower low. Maybe it just kind of bounces around, consolidates before moving higher. Like I said, kind of depends on what Bitcoin does. Let's take a look at, so far, anyways, hold on. Let me get back. The chart doesn't look that unhealthy right now. What I'm saying is I just think the highs are going to be in for a while. And like I said, I could be wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. and it does continue higher and the market recovers, gains a footing, and the long Casper holders do very well. I just don't think that is quite ready to happen. So Bitcoin we are below the 28,249 level right here on the chart. It's the blue line. We broke below that, and that wasn't the greatest for the bulls. So we could be in for something like this, where we saw it take place back in here, where we got that initial sell-off, wedged higher, and then ultimately broke lower. We could be in for that here, where we're about to wedge back up to the 249, and then we'll ultimately break down to the 26. Let's see, 26.23, 25.7 right in here. And that could be the bottom. And then from there, the market could easily continue back to the upside. So we'll see. But right now, Bitcoin is and has showed more weakness than strength once hitting our target up here at the 30,234 level. Back to Casper. So like I said, guys, hopefully I'm wrong and the market does regain that 522, 524 level and continue its uptrend back into the 5.7s or even higher. But I think, judging by this sell-off, that it's going to take a little bit more time than a couple days before it continues its uptrend. So I am a bull in this market, so I hope I'm wrong and the market does gain a footing and continue higher. But just going off the charts and how the Bitcoin levels have been, how the sell-off has taken place so far, it seems like there's still some more, either one, choppy price action to come, or even some lower price action that could take place for Bitcoin. And then also Casper. It is nice to see that this level held so far, the 466, nice TA support, resistance flipped into support. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up here. Like I said, we're keeping our eye on Bitcoin. The price level is 28,249. If the price can't get back above that and hold, then we could be in here for some kind of a lower high, and the market rolls over, heads down into the 26, 25.7s. And then Casper above the market is 522 to 524 as resistance. It was turned into resistance yesterday, as you can see by this candle wick right here. But on the flip side of that is we have some nice support down here at the 468. Our level is 466. So if you've been around watching these videos, change in trend, we have the rally higher, low. So the uptrend is still in place, but then we get this move like this, which creates a lower high, and we get that lower low. So that's potentially what's playing out here. But we have to keep an eye on it. You guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on whatever you'd like. The market, Bitcoin, Casper, anything else you want to share, any video suggestions, you let me know. We've been a little spotty here on the channel. Had some things going on, but try to get back into our normal routine. We like getting videos out early in the morning, so all of the viewers have all the content out they can watch before, they get their day started and whatnot. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate all of the new subscribers. I believe we're over that 2,100 mark. Thank you very much. Hit that thumbs up. Join us here. Share the video with your investor friends, buddies, and like I said, any suggestions you may have, feel free, leave them in the comments. All right, guys, catch you later.